Good morning, Raiders. I'm Perla, and these are your news and announcements for today, Monday, March 6th. Registration time is upon us as students meet with their counselors. Did you know CI offers so many amazing electives from academic tutoring to painting to Spanish to AP psychology? What are you taking next year? Mecha presents Bailes en las Islas this Friday, March 10th. CI students would pay $30 and guests would be $25. Due on March 7th. At the door, 35. No guest passes at the door will be accepted. Upcoming events. Sporting news. Cheer tryouts will begin in March. Quarter 3 finals will be Thursday, March 23rd and Friday the 24th. Check out the new March schedule for the Rincon Wellness Center. Do you have any photos or videos you would like to promote? Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast. Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. That is all your news and announcements for today. Have a great day, Raiders.